Okay, we got a mystery box here, and we are going to, this is very cool vintage mystery box, and we love all things vintage. So here we go. Fragile.
This guy's vintage.
Yeah. Yes, Malachi is vintage.
And fragile.
And fragile. All right, this box came from, where did it come from? North Carolina. We're in New Mexico, so hopefully there's some cool stuff in here. Here we go. Oh, should do this sneaky first.
Oh, I see a handle here.
Okay.
Ready. I'll get that one.
What is this? Oh, very cool. Magnifying glass. You can see. That's fun though. It's got a good handle on it.
That's nice.
Yeah, so far so good.
Wow.
A little bit bent, but it's good.
A little wonky.
All right, so this box costs $35. So let's see what this one is. Oh, it is some little birdies on the art of choking. A 24-karat gold-edged little plate made in Japan.
I
Very.
don't think it says choking.
Yes, it does.
It says choking,
The art of choking.
not choking.
Choking. Okay.
It's
Oh,
a
that's
little
cute.
bird saucer.
You can put that in one of the hutches. A little mini plate.
Okay, this is gonna totally lie. You're gonna love this one. I can see what it is.
Okay, let me see.
Okay, wait. Close your eyes. Oh my god, wait.
Like one of those things where I gotta stick my hands in
Okay, open your eyes.
in the box. Look, a baby.
Yeah.
Oh, she's a
that's
good one too. Look. Ah, you guys know that I love the babies. This is a good one.
Totally worth it.
She's so cute. Okay. I hope she comes with good spirits. Not bad ones.
Oh man, another haunted baby. That's great.
She's cute.
I'm peeking.
Okay, it's my turn.
That was your turn.
Oh. Okay.
Just close your eyes. I'll give you another one.
Okay.
This is maybe a dental tool. You might get 2 for 2.
Maybe.
No.
Oh, look, a shoehorn stretcher.
Spreader stretcher.
Yes, for when your shoes are too tight.
I think it's a wooden JJ.
Oh, it's not a Spectrum.
Camel toe.
Right? That's actually pretty cool.
That is cool.
No, things are good. Ladies' shoes. From sizes 8 to 11. It just happened to be an 8. This just may work for me.
I'm 11.
Awesome. All right.
Little one. I'm gonna open this one.
Okay, let's see what you got.
Ooh. Oh.
Oh, look.
Coke glass.
A little baby Coca-Cola.
You know what's funny is I already have one of these.
Did you?
Mhm.
And now you have two.
It's a set.
Yep. Ready?
Next.
Cheers.
Great. Let's go to the corner. Close your eyes.
Okay.
Okay, you can close. What?
Oh, you're good with that.
All right, open it.
Oh, I could have used this a little while ago. It's a pill chopper and grinder. No, it's not for pills. For herbs. Pills.
Oh,
Both.
for pills, it's a
Pharmacy.
I don't remember what it's called.
I don't either. Do you remember what it's called? Tell me in the comments below.
Down there.
What is it called?
It's a RX.
prescription topper.
You want
Okay,
me
for
close
you,
my eyes?
for you. Oh my God.
Sweet.
Look. 2 vintage books. You know what? These vintage boxes are fun. I'm
Ancient Mariner. Yes, that's cool.
it's like everything that we love so far. It's all things vintage.
Look at these. I
Yay.
can sell them in my shop for like 25 bucks a piece.
Maybe not.
No, like 3.
Okay, like $3, but yeah.
Awesome.
I know. And they look really good for staging too. You just,
Cool.
put them up.
All right, there's a big one.
Awesome.
Fragile glass. All right. Ugh, is it wet in here?
Oh God.
Brody.
This is a copyright of 1919. Very fun. Very fun. Okay.
All right, close your eyes.
We've got a mason jar. These were super hot at one point.
That's cool.
Yeah, it's got some bubbles in it, which is good. That dates it a bit, but it does have a pretty good solid seam. But it's definitely an older one. The bottom does not have the seam going across. So very cool. I wonder if it has the lid in there somewhere. But this is actually does it? Yeah, this is a pretty decent mason jar.
That's cool.
I know.
Sell that for like 12 bucks.
Yeah, exactly. A few years ago, these guys were like 25 bucks all by themselves. So yeah, so far this box is pretty awesome.
Yeah, it is. All right. Close your eyes.
I don't want to close my
I
eyes.
don't know what this is.
Thinking that goes with that plate.
Oh.
Look. Dun, dun, dun.
Dun, dun, dun. It's the choking plate holder.
Yep. Choking bird plate holder.
Everything's not wrapped, so it's not really a big surprise. It's broken.
Is it?
Shizers.
What is?
2 beer koozies with a big broken glass.
Something. You know what? Put that one. We just gonna get glass everywhere.
It says Dick's. A restaurant where you can be a dick.
Yeah, this one kind of. Why do you put that in the trash though? Because there's glass.
Have a
everywhere.
safe day. Get out of here. Look.
Have a safe day.
Don't cut yourself. Have a safe day.
Here.
Alright.
That one's a bomb.
Life is sweeter in Dublin.
Dublin?
Dublin.
Oh, Dublin. Alright. Man, that sucks. It was broken. It looks like we have just a couple more things in here.
Just one big one.
Oh, or just one big one.
You good.
Oh,
Jump in the
shards of glass.
That's extra.
All right. This is dun, 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 a Japanese or Chinese kitten bank.
Yay! That's cool.
We'll have to Google what this means right here. Save it up. Lucky time. I don't know.
It says hugs in Japanese.
This is in Japanese. Pretty cute. So all in all, this box was pretty fun. We've got some cool stuff. Let's do a recap here.
Kitty cat.
Yeah, kitty bank. We've got an awesome shoe stretcher, spreader, definitely vintage. Some nice little pocket classics from 19 something, I forget. We have the Art of Choking cup, a pill herb crusher, a very cool vintage magnifying glass. I need this because I'm losing my eyesight. Coca-Cola, a pretty darn good mason jar, and the best part, the baby. All right, guys. So this is our vintage mystery box. I'm gonna say it's worth $35. It's too bad that other thing was broken, but all in all, not so bad. Awesome. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Vintage Makeovers with Melanie. And by the way, this is Hamish. All right. See you
Cheers.
guys next time.